Introduction. Subject: Scrutiny of GST returns for the financial year 2017-18. Number 1. With reference to above-mentioned subject, proper officers have issued show cause notices for the URS 2017-18 ISN subsection 8 of Section 73 of Delhi Goods and Service Tax ACT 2017 hereinafter referred in ASD-GST ACT in short provides a time period of 30 days for the taxpayers to file a reply representation in response to said SCN. Further, subsection 4 of Section 75 of the DGST Act states that a personal hearing must be given before passing any adverse order. Number 2. It has been observed that in some cases SCNs have been issued fixing date of personal hearing before the expiry of 30 days. It is hereby clarified that personal hearings before FLN any written reply representation would not CERS useful propose. Number 3. Also in some cases SCNs have been issued pointing out discrepancies on why notice in Form GST ASMT 10 were already issued earlier and proceeding has been completed. Hence it would not be appropriate to adjudicate issues that have already been decided dropped under Section 61 of the DGST Act or stand settled in audit proceedings. Number 4. In this regard, the following clarifications are issued for compliance by all concerned. First, cases where notice have been issued even after completion of audit proceeding, SCNs need to be withdrawn after follow 9 ing the required course of action on audit report. Second, cases where notices have been issued after completion of scrutiny of return proceedings, SCNs need to be withdrawn to the extent of subject matter or issues which have already been covered in previous proceedings, after due verifications and recording of reasons. Third, in cases of ITC reversal, proper officer shall make due verification of input used for making taxable non-taxable supplies or input used for non-business or personal purposes or making exempt supply. Fourth, in cases of blocked credit where notices have been issued on the basis of HSN SACT code or cases WHRE transactions have been made with cancelled taxpayers, proper officer shall examine relevant facts along with supporting records and take decision on case-to-case basis, in accordance with law. Fifth, proper officer shall provide a personal hearing after filing of reply representation by the taxpayer or after the expiry of period of 30 days. As the case may be, moreover, before passing any adverse order, a personal hearing must be given to taxpayer to terms of Section 75 subsection 4. Sixth, proper officer shall also duly document the proceedings of personal hearing. Seventh, in cases where it has been brought in the knowledge of proper officer that the notice is required to be withdrawn, the proper officer, after recording reasons, may, without written submission of the taxpayer or any personal hearing, drop the proceedings on the basis of facts and contents of each case. Eighth, the taxpayer must be informed about dropping of proceedings without fault, wherever applicable. Now paragraph 5. All proper officers must strictly adhere to the legal provisions and relevant guidelines circular in this regard. Strict action will be taken for non-compliance. Moreover, it should be ensured that no harassment is caused to any taxpayer and due tax is received by the department. This issues with approval of the competent authority.